How to fix LCD lines on phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can fix LCD lines on our phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now our phone's display could be damaged due to various reasons, and it could be damaged because maybe you dropped your phone. In that case, if it is a hardware damage and your pixels are dead, you're getting an LCD line, you have to replace the display only, and there is no any of the other choices. Now other thing that you have to do over here is, if it came after usually a software update, so brands and companies, they do this purposefully. If it came usually after a software update and then maybe it came after resetting your device, there are a couple of steps you can take. In that case, I want you to first of all download this application known as Dead Pixel Fix from your Play Store. It is available there on Google Play Store. Make sure you download it, open it up and give it the required permission that it requires, and right here you'll find an option that says Fix Dead Pixel. So you have to tap on Fix Dead Pixel and just tap on the start option, and it is going to run these type of checks on your device. Now you have to run these checks at least like 1 hour every day, or maybe overnight. You can do like this and leave it overnight. The app will actually go ahead and then run some fixes like this on your device. When you look at it the next morning, over a couple of weeks and a prolonged period of time, the pixels on your phones could be fixed. Remember that this may not also work all the time, but it will also work some of the time. Maybe when it came usually after a software update, you should be able to help solve the problem. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.